Good morning to all students. How are you? In today lecture, circle lecture 4, we will discuss 3 or 4 different question based on that theorem. Okay. So question number first, that is the example of exercise 5.3. ये 5.3 का एक एग्जाम्पल है, एग्जाम्पल नंबर है सेकंड. इन दैट एग्जाम्पल नंबर सेकंड स्टूडेंट्स क्या गिवन है आपको? पी क्यू लेंथ गिवन है, टोटल इज 8 सेंटीमीटर. पी ओ रेडियस क्या गिवन आपको? 5 सेंटीमीटर. देन वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ टी पी. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ टी पी? फॉर दैट फर्स्टली वी विल जॉइन T2O. ओके, आपने क्या किया स्टूडेंट्स? T2O को क्या करवाया है? ज्वाइन करवाया है. ज्वाइन T2O. नाउ हेयर टोटल लेंथ ऑफ TP, here PQ is equals to 8 centimeter. Let this intersect the PQ at point M. That TO intersect the TO intersects the PQ at point M. Now from 9th class theorem, if we will draw a line from the center of the circle to the chord, so that divided into 2 equal parts or not? So here OM is perpendicular to PQ, so OM bisects the PQ. OM bisects the PQ. After that PM is equals to MQ, which is equals to half of PQ. PM is equals to MQ, वो किसका हाफ होगा? PQ का हाफ होगा. So from here what is the value of PM? 1/2 multiplied by 8 is equals to 4 centimeter. So that value of PM will come 4 centimeter. That angle is 90 degree. After that in triangle POM, we will find out the value of OM. Now in triangle PMO, using Pythagoras theorem. So what is the statement of Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse is the PO square is equals to PM square plus MO square. In triangle PMO, PO square is equals to PM square plus MO square. We will use Pythagoras theorem. After that substitute the values. 5 square equals to, what is the value of PM? 4 square plus MO square. 25 is equals to 16 plus MO square. From here MO square is equals to 25 minus 16 is 9. So what is the value of MO? Root 9. MO is 3 centimeter. So that value of MO is the 3 centimeter. But in question we will find out the value of TP. So how we will find out the value of TP? Now let TP is equals to X and TM is equals to Y. आपने क्या लेट किया है? Let TP value is the X and value of TM is the Y. After that students, here we form 2 right angle triangles. Which 2 right angle triangle? First triangle is TPM. Apply Pythagoras theorem. And second right angle triangle is TPO. Which 2 right angle triangle? First triangle is TPO, second triangle is TPM. So in this triangle we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle first is TPM, triangle TPM, that angle is 90. Using Pythagoras theorem, TP square is equals to TM square plus MP whole square. What is the value of TP? X square is equals to TM is Y square plus MP is 4 square. So from here x square is equals to y square plus 16 will come equation number first. Now second triangle is TPO. Triangle TPO. In triangle TPO, that angle is 90 or not, and which one is the hypotenuse? TO is the hypotenuse. So second and triangle TPO, which one is the hypotenuse? TO is the hypotenuse. So TO square is equals to TP square plus PO square. What is the value of TO? स्टूडेंट्स देखो TO को क्या राइट कर सकते हो? TM plus MO, right? TO can be written as TM plus MO, but what is the value of TM? Y. What is the value of MO? 3. So what is the value of TO? That can be written as y plus 3 whole square equals to x square plus what is the value of PO? 5 square. Now we will expand that one. So from here y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal x square plus 25. After that, from equation first, we will substitute the value of x square. So from equation 1, putting value of x square. So substitute the value of x square. So y square plus 6y plus 9. What is the value of x square? Y square plus 16 plus 25. Y square cancel. So from here 6y equal, add that 16 plus 25, 41 minus 9. So from here 6y is equals to 32. So what is the value of y? 32 upon 6, which will come 16 upon 3. That is the value of y. After that, this value of y we will substitute in equation first. अब आपको किसकी वैल्यू रिक्वायरमेंट है? TP के लिए स्टूडेंट्स x की वैल्यू की रिक्वायरमेंट है. So where we will put the value of y? Value of y we will put in equation first. So now we will substitute the value of y in equation first. So putting y equal 16 upon 3 in equation number first. Equation first में put करो x square equal 16 upon 3 whole square plus 16. So x square equal 16 upon 3 16 multiply 16 upon 9 plus 16 upon 1 x square. After that we will multiply 16 common ले लो. So 16 upon 9 plus 1, right? So x square equals 16. 16 plus 9 upon 9. So from here, what is the value of x square? So we will get the value of x square is equal 16 multiply 16 plus 9 is 25 divided by 9. So x is equals to root of 16 multiply 25 upon 9. X 16 is 4, 25, 5, 3. What is the value? 20 upon 3. So length of TP is 20 upon 3 centimeter. Welcome. This is your answer. Understand? So students, questions में क्या किया है? Firstly, we will identify here that how many right angle triangles are present here. So here how many right angle triangles are present? First triangle is TPM. Second triangle is TPO. In both triangle, two unknown. First is x and second is y. We make here two equation and two unknown. आपको two unknown है, two equations form कर ली. Then you can easily find out the value of x and the value of y. Understand? That question is also very important question. Understand? Now next question is that. अब next questions देखो इसमें. In next question is that prove that the circle opposite side of a quadrilateral circumscribed to a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the सर्किल. आपको क्या करना है, प्रूफ करना है जो सेंट्रल पे अपोजिट एंगल्स फॉर्म हो रहे हैं उनका सम क्या होगा 180 डिग्री होगा. दैट इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 10.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. In question number 13, what is given to you? A quadrilateral circumscribed to a circle that is ABCD is the quadrilateral ABCD. Point P, Q, R, S. And here O is the center of the circle. So we will join them. Okay. So what we will prove? Opposite angle AOB plus angle COD is equals to 180 degree. Over angle BOC plus angle DOA 180 degree. आपको क्या प्रूफ करना है? If a quadrilateral is circumscribed to a circle, then the opposite angle which is formed on the center is supplementary to each other. Supplementary का meaning क्या है? Sum is 180 degree. So what is given here? Given ABCD is a quadrilateral. What we will prove here? We will prove here angle AOB plus angle COD is equals to 180 degree over angle BOC plus angle DOA is equals to 180 degree. These are the supplementary angle. Now here we will require construction. So in construction, join O to P, O to Q, O to R and O to S. We will join O to P, O to Q, O to R and O to S. Join करवाओ O to P, O to Q, O to R and O to S. In proof part, we will give name of this angle. Name angle 1, angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and that is the angle. क्या किया आपने एंगल्स को डिवाइड कर दिया. नाउ हेयर वी विल फॉर्म द 4 पेयर ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स. यहाँ पे क्या 4 पेयर ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स फॉर्म किया है. ट्राइंगल क्या है? ट्राइंगल ROC एंड ट्राइंगल QOC. Second pair triangle BOQ and triangle BOP. Third is AOP and SOA. Fourth is SOD and DOR. अब क्या करना है आपको? इनको congruent proof करना है. So how we will prove these triangles are congruent? So first one, in triangle ROC and second triangle is the QOC. Triangle ROC and QOC. So how we will prove that these two triangles are congruent? So first is CR is equals to CQ using theorem 10.2. Theorem 10.2. What is the statement of 10.2? From the external point, the length of tangents are equal. Second is that RO is equals to QO, equal radii. Third reason is OC is equals to OC, which is common. So both triangles are congruent using which rule? Side. So triangle ROC is congruent with triangle QOC using triple S rule. Both triangles are congruent using triple S rule by using CPCT. So by using CPCT से क्या होगा? एंगल 7 is equals to angle 8. That is equation number first. Similarly, remaining triangles of pair are also congruent. So similarly, triangle QOB is congruent triangle POB. So angle 1 is equals to angle to equation number first. Triangle POA is congruent with triangle SOA. So angle 3 is equals to angle 4, and at last triangle SOD is congruent. Triangle SOD is congruent to triangle ROD. So angle 5 is equals to angle 6. So here we will prove that the 4 pair of triangles are congruent. After that, we know that the sum of all angles around a circle on the center is 360 degree, right? That is the complete angle. So now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus angle 8 is equals to 360 degree or not? क्या बनेगा आपका? 360 डिग्री फॉर्म होगा. नाउ फर्स्ट पार्ट वी विल प्रूफ एंगल AOB. सो इन एंगल AOB which two angles we will required here? angle 2 and angle 3. आपको एंगल AOB में कौन से 2 एंगल्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है? 2 and 3. 2 as it is, 3 as it is. And angle COD, which 2 angle? 6 and 7. 6 as it is and 7. These 4 angles we will put here remain as it is, and remaining angles we will substitute the value. So what is the value of angle 1? Angle 1 की value किसके equal है? 2 plus angle 2 3 as it is. What is the value of angle 4? 3. Angle 5 6. Angle 7. Angle 8 किसके equal है? 7 is equals to 360. So that can angle 1 2 plus 2 twice of angle 2, twice of angle 3, twice of angle 6 and twice of angle 7 is equals to 360 degree. Now we will take out 2 is common. So 2 common. So angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equals to 360 degree. 2 is going divide form. So angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 2 plus 3 can be written as angle AOB plus angle 6 plus 7 can be written as angle COD is equals to 360 upon 2 180 degree. So angle AOB plus angle COD what will come is equals to 180 डिग्री. हैंड ही प्रूफ करना था आपको. सेकेंड पार्ट प्रूफ क्या करना है? ओवर BOC एंड DOA. सो BOC प्लस एंगल DOA के लिए क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है? 1854 आपको क्या रखना है? एंगल 1, एंगल 8, एंगल 4 एंड एंगल 5. देन यू विल गेट अगेन दैट एंगल COB plus angle DOA is equals to 180 degree will come. Understand? So in that question, firstly we will form here 8 triangles by using the construction. After that we will prove that each pair of one triangle we will prove congruent. After proving we will use CPCT. By using CPCT their corresponding angles are equal. After proving that their corresponding angles are equal, then we know that the sum of all angles around a circle is 360 degree. That is the complete angle. So ये क्या फॉर्म हो रहा है? यहाँ पे आपका complete angle फॉर्म हो रहा है. So complete angle से 360. Then after we will substitute the values. Understand? That question is also very important question. That is the exercise 10.2 question number 13. Understand? Now next important question also, that is from exercise 10.2. In next question, what is given to you? A triangle, inside present a circle. Triangle A, B, C which touch the circle at point P, at point Q and at point R. We are given to you that the length of that is 8 centimeter, this length is 6 centimeter and the radius of the circle is 4 centimeter, that is the center of the circle. O radius is given to you 4 centimeter. Then find the side AB and AC. You will calculate. It is the question number 12. Okay, of exercise 10.2. एक्सरसाइज 10.2 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है. आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? फाइंड ए बी एंड ए सी. यू विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी एंड ए सी. सो हाउ यू विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी एंड ए सी? फर्स्टली वी विल रिक्वायर्ड हेयर कंस्ट्रक्शन. और कंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या करना है आपको? जॉइन O to R, then O to Q, join O to R, O to Q, O to A, O to B and O to C. Join O to A, O to B and O to C. These are the radius 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Now what is the question? Triangle ABCD, inside a circle is present where the radius of the circle is 4 centimeter and these sides are given to you. Then how we will find out the value of AB and AC? So firstly we will find out the area of triangle ABC using Heron's formula. At Heron formula you already studied in 9th class. Second, triangle ABC is divided into 3 triangles. Triangle AOB, triangle BOC and triangle AOC. Triangle ABC को 3 triangles में डिवाइड कर दिया. आपको बोथ केस में एरिया कैलकुलेट करके क्या करना है? इक्वल पुट करना है. सो नाउ हियर BP is equals to BR, which is equals to 8 centimeter. CP is equals to CQ is equals to 6 centimeter. Using theorem 10.2, 6 centimeter. So that value is also 6 centimeter. Theorem 10.8 centimeter. So that value is also 8 centimeter. Let AR is equals to X, then AQ is also X or not. आपने क्या कंसीडर किया स्टूडेंट्स को? X लेट किया है. So AQ is also X. Now we will find out the value AB. AB क्या बनेगा? 8 plus X. What is the value of AC? X plus 6. And what is the value of BC? 8 plus 6 is 8 plus 6 is 14. Now we will use Heron formula. So after using the Heron's formula, we will find out the value of S. And we know S equal A plus B plus C upon 2. That is the value of S. And what is A? Capital A. Just opposite is the small a. So that is the small a. AC just opposite small b and AB just opposite small c. AB के just opposite क्या है? Small c है. So S equal, what is the value of small a? Small a is the 14 plus, what is the value of small b? 6 plus x plus 8 plus x is divided by 2. So S value 28 plus 2x upon 2. So value of S, 2 take common, 14 plus x upon 2 cancel. What is the value of S? 14 plus x. Equation number first. S is the semi parameter. So S value क्या आ गया स्टूडेंट्स? 14 plus x will come. Now area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC we will calculate using Heron formula, and Heron formula is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. We know what is the value of S, 14 plus x, and ABC value we also know. Now substitute here, under root S value is 14 plus x. What is the value of S again? 14 plus S minus value of small a is 14. Second is S minus B. S value 14 plus x minus what is the value of small b? X plus 6. Third is S minus C. S value 14 plus x minus what is the value of small c? 8 plus x will come. After simplify 14 plus x, then 14 plus x minus 14, here 14 plus x minus 6, and here 14 plus x minus 8 minus 6. Now the term which is cancel down. 14 cancel, x cancel, and here also x cancel. So final result क्या बना आपका? 14 plus x multiply x multiply 14 minus 6 is 8, 14 minus 8 is 6. So finally what is the area of the triangle? So area of triangle ABC is equals to under root 14 plus x multiply by 48 will come, right? That is the equation number second. आपने क्या किया है स्टूडेंट्स? ट्राइंगल ABC का एरिया कैलकुलेट किया है यूजिंग हीरोन फॉर्मूला. नाउ सेकंड that we will calculate the area of triangle ABC. That ABC is divided into three triangle. Triangle AOB, that angle is 90 using theorem 10 point. Triangle AOB, BOC and triangle AOC. So we can write that area of triangle ABC can be written as area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC. Now firstly we will find out here area of triangle AOB, then we will find out here BOC, then we will find out area of triangle AOC. So now we will calculate these areas. So area of triangle AOB. AOB के लिए देखो 1/2 multiply base multiply height. 1/2. What is the base? 8 plus x and height is 4. Cancel 2. So area क्या बना? 2 8 plus x. That is the area of triangle AOB, which will come 16 plus 2x. Second क्या कैलकुलेट करोगे? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BOC. So what is the area of triangle BOC? 1/2. Base is 14, height is 4, 7, 28. And third is the area of triangle AOC. 1/2. Base is 6 plus x and height is 4, 2, which will come 12 plus 2x. So area of triangle ABC is equals to sum of the areas of all three triangle. So sum of areas of 16 plus 2x plus 28 plus 12 plus 2x. Now add all 2x plus 2x is the 4x. Add all 20, 30, 40, 50, 56 will come. 4 is common, x plus 14. Equation number 3. Equation सेकंड में भी एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एबीसी है, इक्वेशन थर्ड में भी क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल एबीसी है. सो बोथ वैल्यूज वी विल पुट इक्वल. नाउ from equation second and equation number third, from equation second and third what we observe, for x plus 14 is equals to under root 48x 14 plus x. Right hand side square root is present, left hand side no, so we will remove the square root. So taking square on both sides, square on both sides. So 4 square is 16, x plus 14 whole square equal 48x 14 plus x. राइट, क्या किया है, स्क्वायर रूट रिमूव करने के लिए बोथ साइड क्या है किया स्टूडेंट्स, स्क्वायर किया है. आफ्टर दैट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 16 x plus 14 whole square minus 48x 14 plus x equals to 0. Now from here 16 x plus 14 is the common. So here remaining is x plus 14 minus 16 common आ गया. So here remaining 3x equals to 0. From here 16 x plus 14 is also 0 and here x plus 14 minus 3x is also 0. So x equal minus 14 which is not possible because side of triangle never will come negative. ये क्या नेगेटिव पॉसिबल है, नेगेटिव पॉसिबल नहीं है. So from here what is the value of x, minus 2x equal minus 14. So x is equals to 7. बट आपको क्वेश्चन में क्या फाइंड आउट करना था, ए बी एंड ए सी कैलकुलेट करना था. So value of AB and AC. So AB, what is AB? AB can be written as 8 plus x. So AB 8 plus 7 is equals to 15 centimeter. And what is the value of AC? AC equal 6 plus 7 is equals to 13 centimeter. Welcome. So in this question what we do, फर्स्टली कंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या करना है, आपको 3 ट्राइंगल्स फॉर्म करने हैं और ट्राइंगल ए बी सी का एरिया फर्स्ट केस में आपको हीरोन फॉर्मूले से कैलकुलेट करना है और सेकंड केस में क्या है, ट्राइंगल ए बी सी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 ट्राइंगल. फर्स्ट ट्राइंगल ए ओ बी, बी ओ सी एंड ए ओ सी आपने फर्स्ट केस में हीरोन फॉर्मूले से कैलकुलेट किया है, सेकंड केस में यूजिंग फॉर्मूला 1/2 बेस इनटू हाइट से कैलकुलेट किया है. इन बोथ केस यू विल पुट बोथ एरियाज आर इक्वल, देन यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. आफ्टर पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ x you will get the value of AB and AC. So students, in today's lecture we discuss these 3 very important questions. That is the very important question for your examination. Okay, thank you. And in next lecture we will discuss some important question of circle also. Then after start new chapter. Thank you.